Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to print text on the ground within Adobe Photoshop. A really cool idea that you can use across many forms of graphic design, and all you need to do is follow the step-by-step process that I show you today, and I guarantee you'll be able to create some really cool, fresh, modern, innovative pieces of work. As you can see, I've got this image of a car coming towards us. The first thing I need to do is just open up our layers window here, is I need to make a selection of this car here. With that layer highlighted, I'm now going to go select, subject. Wonderful. Now, I don't need to necessarily worry about fixing the selection here. All I need to worry about is the bottom, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty good. So what I would need to do is now duplicate what's inside of that selection. The keyboard shortcut to duplicate a layer is Command J for Mac users or Control J for Windows users. But because we've got that selection there, it will only duplicate what's inside of that selection. So if I now do that, as you can see, we have the car or that selection on its own individual layer. All right, so now what we need to do is let's create the text. So I'm going to get my type tool. I'm just going to click on the artboard here, and I'm going to write the word monster. Let me make that a little bit bigger. I'm going to press the keyboard shortcut for Mac users, Command T, or Windows users, Control T. And I'm just going to resize from the center point by pressing Option for Mac users or Alt for Windows users. Okay. Now, I need to rasterize our type layer. Very simple. If you just right-click on that layer, you have the option here to rasterize type. And now what I need to do is start distorting the text. So we need to get our transform options open again. So yet again, you should be using that keyboard shortcut, Command T or Control T, depending on what computer you're using. And then if you right click on it, you have the options here to scale, rotate, skew, distort, perspective, or warp. But we'll be using our distort option here. And I'm just going to now bring this out here a little bit like so. All you got to do is click and drag the anchor points out like so there. Maybe bring this one down a tad there, and that one also there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. Let's say around there, and press enter. Now I'm just going to bring that duplicate layer on top, like so it looks like the car's driving over the text. Now, obviously, as you can see, right, the text doesn't look realistic within the image. So I want to add a layer style to that particular layer. So just simply double click the layer, or you can come to effects window here, but I just simply like to double click the layer. Wonderful. And we have our underlying layer option here. And what I need to do is split this stop by pressing Option for a Mac or Alt for Windows. Like so, and as you can see there, it's starting to really sort of bring the realism into the road there. May even bring the white up a little bit as well there. Maybe split that a tad. Be very gentle with it. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.